Yo, Pedro! Yo, Pedro, where's my camera?
It's in my book bag.
I'm recording.
Get away from them. Back up all the way over here. Dalila, back up, Dalila. Get away from them. We'll come down.
Nigga, I don't want to get shitted on.
Oh my God, there's one right behind your head.
There's three of them. I ain't want them still until they come down.
I'm gonna stand still.
I told you
They
about
left.
it.
Wait, they're coming back.
Yo te le dije she wanted me to go to the beach.
Hey there, little buddy.
I didn't know. You told me. I asked you.
Yo, I thought they were gonna hit my face.
No, you didn't.
I thought they were gonna get on my face.
Pedro.
I don't even remember. I just remember you told me.
Okay, that's it.
Jayla, clean my eye, man. I'm cheering.
It's getting boring. Get up.
Nah, we gotta stay still.
Oh,
You gotta
but
put
I'm
them on
not
top of us, man, like a little bit.
Yo, make me a pillow thing again.
That shit was fucking funny.